We are not supposed to be getting snow. Look at this, bloody snowing out. Let me see if I can get my scooter's snoozing over there. We're trying to get out of Texas. I can't believe it's snowing in Texas. Head to Arizona and then Mexico, but first we got to make a stop. As much as we're enjoying this cab and as comfortable as it is, there's something we can do to make it a little bit better. You'll see. Now it is nasty outside, but I don't even care because I am in Austin, Texas, baby, and it is about to get a lot nicer inside that Jeep. That's right, we are putting the rooftop glass, the panoramic glass, in the top of my Jeep. I'm super excited about this. I think it's gonna be super cool, and then we're gonna take it and off-road it from here in Austin, Texas, all the way to San Diego, California, and back. It's gonna be awesome. If y'all wanna follow along, please go to my channel, Adam Sandoval, and click that subscribe button down below. And if you look for the off-road segments, the off-road playlist, you will find the videos of us if you want to follow along, because, well, a lot of our other channel is motorcycles too. Yeah, we're gonna take off and ride down to the tip of Mexico on motorcycles before it's all said and done. Hey y'all, come here, take a look at what we just did. So we took the Jeep Gladiator and it had that white interior. You see now it's kind of black. Oh, but it's a see-through top as well, even the back. Look at that. Can you, I don't know if y'all can see that real good. Oh man, it's see-through. Let me take you and show you exactly what we did to the Jeep. All right, y'all, so here is the deal. You wanted to see how it's done, I'm sure. I know I was very curious the first time I saw him on Instagram. It's Panoramic Jeep Worldwide. Boom, that's the link right there. Make sure you go follow it. You can also find a direct link down in the description. But let me introduce you to the man himself, my boy Nixon.
Hey, what's happening? Thanks for having me on. The deal here, Adam, he contacted me. If you don't know me, follow the page like he said down below, Panoramic Jeep Worldwide. And what we're gonna do is take his current factory hardtop that's on his Jeep Gladiator, the one that comes stock, and we're gonna modify it, and all three pieces is all gonna be tempered glass. So for all of Adam's off-road adventures, he'll be able to see that 365-day topless experience. Stay tuned.
I'm pretty excited about this myself. I gotta tell you, what's probably gonna be the coolest is seeing it done, right? Like for me, learning, seeing, and he sells kits.
Yeah, man, so you can
I've seen it on your page.
Yeah, and you know, like everybody else, you know, Adam's gonna put that work in too. Do it yourself. I'm gonna take you through this step-by-step exclusive behind-the-scenes look with me, Panoramic Jeep. We're doing the Adam Sandoval Edition Gladiator.
Let's check it out.
Yeah, so we're gonna take the tops off. This is an easy deal.
Watch that killer in there.
Whoa, stay back.
Yeah. Hey, Scooter, man, no, you can't bite the man, he's helping us. Oh, grumpy Scooter, you old grump, huh? So Scott, he is going to cut holes.
That's crazy.
In my brand new Gladiator roof.
I know, that's what I was thinking, the whole thing too.
You gotta be a little nervous when a man's cutting holes in your brand new Gladiator.
All right, so we've got here is the factory Freedom panel. If you have a JL or if you have a Gladiator, this is exactly how your panels look. So what we're gonna do is chop the center straight out of them. We're gonna make one cut here on top, which I show you guys how to do on my do-it-yourself videos, and tons of people have taken the do-it-yourself challenge, and this is super simple. We'll make one cut to the top, we'll make one cut to the inside, and then we'll have our exposed view.
It is crazy. And by freehand.
I think it's freaking crazy. I mean, I'd be all over, my lines would be all crooked.
I think we're gonna have to do yours too.
He's a veteran. 20 years he served for America, and we're paying him back doing a panoramic top. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go. So we cut the two front Freedom panels. You saw us do that. Now we're gonna head on to the back. This is the whole rear piece that you got here. We're gonna go ahead and cut one large view into this. And at the end of it all, this will completely be tempered panoramic, the whole rear. And we put it together, it'll be a three-piece panoramic hardtop, which you can remove and reinstall just like original. All right, so here we go. We're applying the ceramic window tinting, and what this will do right now, the ceramic window tint, this will block and reject 99.9% of UV rays, and also reject, okay, 88% of all heat transfer trying to enter the cabin. So what this means is that in your panoramic top will be cooler than original. Your original top absorbs heat. My panoramic glass reflects heat.
Look at the hole in my roof. They got the, hey, what do you call this again? This black piece around that's always on all the glass?
Something was called a frit line.
Frit line.
So yes, the frit line is actually baked onto the glass during production. But in this situation, there's nobody to do a frit line for me, so I have to make my own frit line so that then we can use the urethane to adhere to the glass.
Beautiful, man. And look, you got the inside all black.
Oh yeah, so what we did is we changed it, so now we went all black on the inside. We take it and we make it black because all your natural sunlight will be coming in through the top, so you don't feel closed in anymore.
And it's kind of cool how it's got that crystal pattern to it.
Yeah, a lot of people don't notice that until it's painted. So we paint it with satin, and what's cool is that pattern is already, even in the white, you can see there's two different, it's almost like flat white and satin white. So when we paint it, it does the same effect and makes the pattern really pop out.
That's cool, man. And that's a glass for the top.
Yes, that is.
The Freedom top. It's looking good. Look at that. See right straight through the concrete. Got a little reflective there to kick the heat back. So it's not too hot in there. We're going to give you all the full review on this thing, but it is looking clean. I mean, real clean. Now we're trimming it out there. Look at that. They do it actually inside, underneath the glass, and on the top. So this is all, I mean, look at that thing. That's so cool. It makes it look so factory. So it's all finished out. It's got rubber trim on there. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it definitely makes it finished looking smooth. All right, y'all, this is now packed up. We got the tent packed up. We are ready to hit the road. We are headed to Arizona, then to California, then down through Mexico. It's really just a preparation for this summer when we do Alaska, which I'm just so excited about. It's the last state in America I have not been in, and we're gonna do it. But look at how the top looks finished. Once you put that tent down, you can really see the detail of that top. It absolutely makes that Jeep. But my boy Nixon, he's got another surprise for us. We didn't just do my top.
No, man, so we did two tops. Big shout out to all the veterans worldwide serving America. We're gonna go inside, show you Scott's Jeep. He's a veteran. 20 years he served for America, and we're paying him back doing a panoramic top.
Boom! What do you think, Scott?
That was pretty badass. Well, I tell you what, this is really awesome. You can actually even see through like no problem. And the detail of everything being done is immaculate. You wouldn't even tell that it wasn't factory. He is definitely a professional. He's figured this shit out. I want to thank him, and Adam and everybody, thank you very much. This is gonna be awesome up on the mountains.
It's badass is what it is. All right, y'all, moment of truth. We are going down the road. I've got about 150 miles in, headed west to ride Sedona and California and Mexico and really put these tops to the test. But I'm telling you, here's the things that matter to me. These are the things I was concerned about before getting these tops. One was the top noise. Jeeps are already a little bit noisy inside, and I was concerned that these tops would actually be a little bit louder. Truth is, we're doing 70 miles an hour right now. Isn't that right, Scooter? He's chilling out. We're doing 70 miles an hour, and it's actually, I think, quieter, believe it or not, than what the top was prior to this. So the quietness is great. We're gonna test it out off-road and see how it handles with the jarring and the shaking and the getting bounced around and see how it holds up there. That'll be the ultimate test. But so far, super pleased, man. The way it looks, the way it feels. I mean, look at that view. I mean, it's just awesome. So I'm really happy, and I'm super stoked about the noise because that was going to be a concern of mine. All right, y'all, we'll do more videos. We will do some off-road stuff and hopefully capture some good pictures. Maybe do a little snoozing. My boy Scooter. We'll see y'all in the next video. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button and that bell on the notifications. We'll let you know every time we upload a new video so you don't miss any of the action. We'll talk to y'all later.